Okay, I'm back for a second just to have a quick comparison between old pad and new pad. So this is basically how it looks like now. On my right hand side you can see new brake pad, on left the one that was sitting in a caliper, and when you're actually inspecting a pads, as you see, this is purely metal. There is no pad, braking pad at all. And here on this side there is, because it's obviously brand new. So when you inspecting your pads, checking how thick they are, you must actually watch only at this. Don't look at the metal. Because yeah, that's what you use when you're braking, and obviously there is nothing here to use because everything is gone. So yeah, I just have a thought that I'm gonna quickly show you. So not necessarily you must wait to the stage where I am, because it's pretty bad, to be honest. You can always have a quick look how much braking material have left on your pad and change them before you get to the stage where I am. So you cannot actually use safely brakes if you get where I am now. So yeah, I have cleaned this caliper, so as you see all pots are quite nice, and yeah, all the dirt is pretty much gone. So I'm ready to put back the old pads and push the pots back into caliper. Oh, sorry for that. So yeah, I've used my clever cleaning machine to help myself to clean these pots. This is toilet brush, cutted, and I just put this into my driller, and as you see, it's nice and easy. And yeah, so that might help if someone is lazy like I am. You can use this.